Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you all another of the fill in the blank reading question with the answers and obviously the explanation as to why are we picking the answers, what is the correct answer, what is the reason behind it, why are we not picking a different answer. So going behind the logic of selecting a certain response. So do watch this video until the end to first try to solve this question by yourself and then understand the logic and the reasoning behind why are we picking certain answers. Now, just before I start, if you need help and support with your PT exam, if you need online coaching with one-on-one feedback that me and Mohit provide every single day, you can get in touch with us on WhatsApp. The number is there on the screen, or you can simply click on the links given in the description box on Instagram, Facebook, or directly on WhatsApp. Contact us. The admin would be there. We would be there. Message us, have a chat with us. We'll even discuss on phone with you to make a plan on how we can assist you to clear these exams in your very first go, whether it's PT Academic, PT Core, NAATI Hindi, NAATI Punjabi, and NAATI Gujarati. Now let's dive right in the video. So this is the question that we are going to look at. And if you can see, there are 4 blanks given to us in this one. So first, as I always say, pause this video over here. Try to solve this question by yourself and see if you can get all the right answers. If you can, that's great. If you can't, that's absolutely okay. It's a good learning video for you. And after that, resume the video and follow alongside me as to why are we picking those answers and why are we neglecting the ones which are obviously not the right ones. So let's start with this one. The first one we have is the internet has become humanity's most powerful tool for information dash and communication. So see, we need a word that goes with the word information over here. And that needs to be a positive, neutral word. Considering this is a positive statement, the internet has become humanity's most powerful tool. So talking good about internet over here. And information, something, and communication. So out of the options, we have got exchange, information exchange. By the way, it's a collocation and it's a good one. Information exchange, we use that all the time. Then we have information influx. Influx sounds like too much of something. So that's more like a negative word. So information altered, stability, shirked. Shirked means avoiding something, neglecting something, which can't fit over here. Dominance, permission, and treatment. So over here, the correct answer would be information exchange, considering it's a collocation. We say information exchange one after the other at all times. And collocation is basically 2 words that are supposed to come one after the other. 2 words that frequently occur together are what we call collocations. Hence, information exchange is what we can fit over here. The next one is however. So however tells us that something negative is going to be said after the positive statement that we have just gone through. So however, this dash has its drawbacks. So this something has its drawbacks, and this is a pronoun and they are referring back to the previous sentence. So we need something which relates to the previous sentence, but at the same time can be used in a negative way. However, this dash has its drawbacks. So internet has become humanity's most powerful tool for information exchange and communication. That means a lot of information is being exchanged, a lot of communication is happening. So this dash has its drawbacks. This dominance would be the right answer over here. This dominance. So when we say a lot of information has been getting exchanged, a lot of communication is happening, that tells us that there is a dominance of internet on the market. And we know in today's world how popular and how powerful is internet. Like without internet, you can literally say life stops. This is how much we are dependent on the internet itself. Hence, the dominance would be the right choice over here, that we can say that this dominance has its drawbacks. Like it's not a good thing always. There are certain negative points as well for this dominance that internet has created. Now, what kind of drawbacks is what they would be talking about in the next sentence. It says traditional forms of media. So traditional as in the ones which used to be before internet. So could be mails, letters, all those traditional ways of communicating with each other. And interpersonal communication, as in communicating with each other in person, face to face, have been significantly dashed, with some languages and dialects becoming less prevalent in the digital space. So something has changed significantly for traditional forms of media and interpersonal communication. So something has changed. So we need a word which is similar to the word change. And if you look at the options that we have, altered would be the perfect choice. Altered itself means changed. And that absolutely makes sense, that have been significantly altered, changed completely. and other words just do not fit over here. Shirked, like I said again, like I said earlier, it means avoiding. Significantly avoided doesn't really make sense. Significantly influx is grammatically wrong. Significantly stability is again grammatically wrong. Then the last one we have is this digital revolution, as in change in the digital space. Super spearheaded by the rise of social media and online platforms has resulted in a constant dash of information. So this digital change that has happened, so going from letters and stuff all the way up to communicating via video calls, FaceTime and all, and with the rise of social media like Instagram, Facebook, all those things, and online platforms, has resulted in a constant dash of information. So see, there's so many social media platforms, so many online platforms, news delivered everywhere in the digital form has made it so much easy for a lot of information to come through. Like we used to wait for a newspaper to come for at least a day before we could actually get what happened on the previous day. Nowadays, media moves so quickly. And this is what we need to, so we need a word that kind of conveys all that part over here, that we get so much of information now in such a short span of time. Hence, out of the given options, influx would be the best choice over here, because we can say has resulted in a constant influx of information. That means a lot of information in such a short span of time. You can't say stability of information, because stability means quite the opposite. Stability means it's constant, stable, steady. We need something which shows a lot of stuff is coming through. So influx already means too much. And the other word shirked again means avoiding. Permission of information, you can't take permission of information, that's incorrect grammatically. And treatment of information, you can't treat, like you can't fix the information. Again, that word logically doesn't fit over here. So correct answer would be influx. And if I check my answers, yes, all four would be the correct responses. So this is what I wanted to share in this quick video, just so that you know, and I've made so many of these ones before. You can go through the complete playlist to understand, to watch those videos, try to solve those questions first by yourself, and then watch the remaining video to understand the logic. Because see, you may end up getting these same blanks in your exam, or same questions in your blanks in your exam. And if you have gone through so many, it just helps in your understanding that you're not just gambling with your responses, you're not just guessing the answers, you're actually taking that time out and understanding the logic behind it. And like I said, if you get the same ones repeated somewhere else, your brain will help you to remember and recall what you just learned in today's video. Guys, that's all I had to share in today's one. Like I said, if you need online coaching, support, one-on-one feedback from me and Mohit, NAATI, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, PT Academic, PT Core, all these 5 exams, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to help you and support you and help you guys clear these exams in a very first go. Stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in the very next video.